move over Spotify because ChatGPT just dropped its own year-end wrapped experience and it's giving users a wild, personalized look back at their 2025 chats. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. ChatGPT dropped a new feature called Your Year with ChatGPT, which lets users see everything from their top conversation themes to total messages sent and busiest days of chatting. But it doesn't stop there. OpenAI has sprinkled in playful awards, AI-generated poems, pixel-style art, and even custom user archetypes like Navigator, Tinkerer, or Creative Debugger, all based on your chat habits. ChatGPT had a massive surge in usage this year, with nearly 900 million monthly active users tapping the AI for everything from writing and coding to research, learning, and creative brainstorming. By summarizing interactions in a fun, visual, and narrative format, the year-end recap turns the AI from a tool into a quirky digital companion. To check out your ChatGPT year, users on free, Plus, and Pro plans just need to have chat history enabled. Then click the banner on the home screen or type "Show me my year" with ChatGPT. Business, team, and education accounts aren't included, and a handful of early users reported small glitches during the gradual rollout. From seeing which topics dominated your chats to getting personalized poems and art inspired by your messages, Your Year with ChatGPT is designed to make your AI interactions feel fun, memorable, and just a little bit magical. It's like a digital diary wrapped up in a playful package. It's like the ultimate end-of-year scroll for anyone who spent 2025 talking to a chatbot. Have you looked back on the chats yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.